Hi, I'm Love Singh with Kendall Subaru of Eugene, and I'm here to introduce you to Generation 4 Subaru Eyesight. Subaru's Eyesight system is a pre-collision braking system and pedestrian detection system. The previous model of Subaru's Eyesight system utilized 2 cameras. The newest model now utilizes the 2 cameras, but some models may have a 3rd camera. The 3rd lens is a very wide-angle lens, giving Eyesight the ability to recognize pedestrians or cyclists at intersections when driving at a low speed. The enhanced software is sophisticated enough to anticipate their movements, so Eyesight can initiate rapid brake control and avoid collisions. The Subaru Eyesight system cameras are located on the top portion of the windshield and also has a heating and cooling system to help it function better in extreme temperatures. Eyesight Generation 4 is available on some 2023 models and most 2024 models. As always, safety is in the driver's hands. The Eyesight Driver's Assist system is there to just help along the way. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Or you can come down to our showroom on Goodpasture Island Road and ask for me, Love. Or check out our website at kendallsubaruonline.com. Kendall, let's start something great.